Okay, welcome back. The big mover yesterday, and actually the big mover in September so far, has been Mobikwik. I think in the month of September so far, stocks up 50%. There's no big news flow or anything of that sort. ADIA, the Abu Dhabi Investment Trust, sold out their 2% odd stake last week. So that was a bit of a clean out trade. But, beyond that, I couldn't find very much. But beyond the price action, Hormaz has looked at some data points which I think are useful. Hormaz, over to you.
There's some increased data and trading activity seen in Mobikwik, as you were mentioning, Prashant. In the last 6 sessions of September that we have had, the stock is up almost 50%, not only recapturing its IPO price of 279, but also going well past it now. And of course, as you mentioned, it was the 2nd of September, which is when the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority sold its remaining stake, made an exit from the company. That day, the stock was up 20%. But even before that, the stock had seen increased trading activity. Now, if you can see the month of September, all the 6 trading sessions that we've had, in every session, the volumes every single day have been in excess of 1 crore shares for Mobikwik, and the highest, of course, being on the 2nd of September, which was the day when the ADIA block deal took place. Almost 7 crore shares had changed hands in that entire day during that trading session. But if you take a look at the volumes before, in the 3 months preceding the 1st of September, the average daily traded volume on Mobikwik stood at almost close to 20 lakh shares in a single trading session. But after starting September, that has increased to well over 4 crore shares in a single day on an average, is what Mobikwik is seeing. Even in yesterday's session, we had almost 5.5 crore shares change hands. That was well above the 20-day average of 1 crore shares. And of course, that 20-day average has also increased considering the trading activity that we have seen starting September the 1st. Even yesterday, almost close to 40 lakh shares were marked for delivery in comparison to the 20-day average of which is just above 12 lakh shares. And the turnover in yesterday's trading session almost close to 1800 crore rupees, and that is almost 70% of the company's market cap, which is around about 2500 crores as of yesterday's closing. So increased trading activity, as a result of which, as I mentioned, the stock is above its IPO price, 16% higher, but from its post-listing high, which is almost close to 700 rupees, the stock is still down 53% from those levels.
All right, Hormaz, very, very interesting, as always, beyond just the percentage change, what's happening as far as volumes, delivery, etc. is concerned.